In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create consistent characters in OpenArt AI, step by step, and I'll also give you real prompts so you can follow along and actually get results instead of just understanding the theory. So first, go to OpenArt using the link in the description to try it out at a great deal. Then, log into your account, and once you're inside the dashboard, look at the main menu and click on the character section, because that's where you create and manage everything related to your AI characters. Now click on Create Character, and now you'll notice something important, because OpenArt doesn't just give you two options anymore. It actually gives you 3 different ways to build your character, depending on how you want to approach it. The first option is Start from an image, which is great if you already have reference photos or different angles of a character, and you want maximum consistency. The second option is Describe your character, where you simply write a detailed prompt and let the AI generate your character from scratch. And now there's a third option called Build Your Character, which is a newer feature, and it's a lot more interactive and beginner-friendly. In this Build Your Character option, instead of writing everything manually, you can actually select different attributes step by step, like choosing the overall look, the vibe, the gender, ethnicity, and even the age range. So it kind of guides you through the process, visually, and makes it easier if you're not sure how to write detailed prompts yet. It's a really clean way to create characters, especially for beginners who want more control without overthinking prompts. But for this video, let's go with the Describe Your Character option because it's very powerful, gives you more control, and I've personally tested this workflow a lot. And it consistently gives the best results once you understand how to write prompts properly. Click Describe Your Character, and now this is where most people mess up because they keep their prompt too basic. But if you want strong consistency, you need to be very specific with how your character looks. For example, instead of writing something simple like a girl, you want to write something like a 22-year-old American female influencer, long brown hair, smooth clear skin, natural makeup, soft smile, confident expression, wearing a minimal modern outfit, photorealistic, studio lighting, high detail, clean aesthetic. This level of detail helps the model lock in the identity properly. And once you've written your prompt, make sure you select Nano Banana Pro as your model, because it gives the best realistic output. Keep the style on photorealistic, and then hit Generate. Now OpenArt will give you multiple variations of your character. And this is an important step, because you don't just pick randomly, you actually look closely at the face, proportions, and overall vibe, and choose the one that feels the most natural and consistent with what you imagined, because this is going to be your base identity. Once you select it, click Build Character. Now you'll be asked to give your character a name and a backstory. Even though this might seem optional, it actually helps the AI understand the personality and style of your character. For example, you can name her Emily and write something like, Emily is a lifestyle influencer who creates content around fashion, travel, and daily routines. She has a calm and confident personality with a clean, minimal aesthetic. Once you save that, your character is fully ready to use. Next, click on Create to start generating images. At the top, you'll see your character already selected. This means you don't need to describe her again every time. You can just focus on the scene, outfit, and action. For your first image, you can use a prompt like, Emily standing on a beach during sunset, wearing a white summer dress, soft golden lighting, wind blowing through her hair, cinematic look, shallow depth of field, photorealistic. When you generate this, you'll notice something immediately. The face stays the same, the identity stays the same. And that's the whole point of using consistent characters. Now let's level this up a bit. Because you're not limited to just basic scenes. You can actually control outfits using reference images. To do this, upload an outfit image in the reference section. Then write a prompt like, Emily wearing the outfit from image 1, walking in a modern city street, natural daylight, candid photography style, soft shadows, realistic environment. The AI will now apply that exact outfit to your character while keeping the same face and identity, which is extremely powerful. You can also change environments easily. For example, try a prompt like Emily sitting in a luxury cafe, holding a coffee cup, warm ambient lighting, cozy environment, blurred background, cinematic composition, high detail. You'll get a completely different scene, but the same character. This is perfect if you're creating content or building an AI influencer. Another powerful feature is adding multiple characters, which opens up a lot of possibilities for storytelling and content creation. For this example, I'm going to create a second character. I've already got some images ready for her, including front, back, and left side poses, which will help ensure consistency. First, I'll go to the character section in OpenArt and click on Create Character. This time, I'll select Start from an image because I already have the images prepared. I'll upload the 3 images, making sure each one is properly positioned to give the AI a complete view of her appearance. Next, I'll name the character Sarah Johnson. For her background story, I'll write something like, Sarah Johnson is a creative digital artist who loves urban photography and exploring modern architecture. She has a playful, curious personality and enjoys mixing casual and artistic styles in her outfits. Once the name and backstory are set, I'll click Create, and the AI will process everything to generate a fully consistent character. Now, I have 2 characters ready to use, Emily and Sarah Johnson. With both characters created, I can place them in the same scene, and the AI will keep each character's identity consistent. For example, I can write a prompt like, Emily and Sarah Johnson walking together in a shopping street, laughing, casual outfits, natural lighting, candid shot, realistic photography. The AI will generate both characters with their individual looks, expressions, and poses intact, making it incredibly powerful for storytelling, social media content, or any project that requires multiple consistent characters interacting naturally. Now let's talk about making your characters 3D and placing them in a world. First, go to the Characters and World section again. Click on the World option to create a new world. From here, you can describe the style and atmosphere of your world. You can also use presets and choose one to start from. For example, click on a preset and the AI will create a world for you automatically. If you want, you can upload your own images and make a completely custom world. Once your world is ready, you can place your character onto it and position them however you want. This makes setting up scenes much easier. Next, go into the Create Image section again. Here, you can add more prompts to customize your images even further. You can also generate multiple variations of an image. For example, take the image we just created. If you expand it, you'll see options like Recreate Image, Upscale, Image to Video, User's Reference, or Create Variations. Click Create Variations to make slightly different versions of the same scene. You can describe changes like different lighting, a different sunset, or slight adjustments in pose, while keeping the overall atmosphere consistent. Once you've added your instructions, click Generate, and the AI will create a new variation. When you open the new variation, you might notice small differences, especially in facial features. That's because I use the image variation option, instead of referencing the character directly. The better method is to use your character as a reference. Then you can describe exactly how you want the image to look, and the AI will maintain consistency in face, identity, and pose across all variations. Finally, once you have a good image, you can even turn it into a video. Go to the Video section and select Image to Video. You can upload your image as a starting frame and create an ending frame using a prompt like Emily standing at the bottom of a mountain, smiling, same outfit, snowy environment, soft sunlight. The AI will generate a video where your character stays consistent throughout. As you can see, this is no longer just about generating random images. It's about creating a full identity that you can reuse across different scenes, outfits, and even videos without losing consistency. This was something that used to be very difficult with AI. Once you understand this workflow, you can use it for AI influencers, social media content, storytelling, or even selling services, because people are willing to pay for consistent visuals. If you want to follow along and create this step by step, use the link in the description to try OpenArt for yourself at a great deal. Then jump in and start building your own consistent character.